What we have here, guys, is we have 30 students in the class were asked what kind of transport they take to school. There was a train, car and bus in the last year. And basically, the results are shown in the Venn diagram below. Calculate the value of x. Well, what do we know all 8 parts have to add up to? When you add all 8 parts up together, what should it add up to? 30, shouldn't it? Yeah. Now, do you want? I can. So I'm going to write down x minus 1 plus x plus 5 minus x plus 2x. Everybody cool with that? That's, would everybody agree that's that part done? Now, what's next then? What are we going for next? The x plus 3. The 6 minus x. And the 9 minus 2x. Have I forgotten anything? The 6 on the outside. And what does all that equal? 30. Now look at the regular numbers. Minus 1 plus 5, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. See the way 28 is lower than 30? I'm expecting a plus x, not a minus x. If 28 was, if the left side was bigger than the right hand side, I'd be expecting a minus x. Let's see if it's a plus x as we predicted. Just going to strike them off, alright? 2x, 1x, 4x, 5x, oh no, 5x, 4x, 2x. Okay, we're in business. So what does 2x equal? 2x equals 1. How many people got that? Oh, so just x, is it? So x equals 2. Okay, give me a sec. What did I did something wrong here. Let's do it the old fashioned way, right? Minus x plus x. Minus 2x plus 2x plus x minus x. And you're right, it's just an x, wasn't it? So, my fault there. Always double check. And how many people got x equals 2? Okay, good job. Now, go back up here and change everything. That's now 2 minus 1. 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3. 9 take away 4, 5. How many pupils used 2 of these modes of transport? We're assuming 2 only, aren't we? 2 only, guys? 2, 4, and 3, and that will equal 9. Everybody good with that? Any questions? We all good? Yes? Yeah, go for it. If you're in an exam, you might redraw the Venn diagram and put the numbers fresh again, okay? Just so it doesn't look sloppy, because that looks quite sloppy. Okay? Pens if you're asked. If you could do it without the Venn diagram, you'd probably be okay. Okay? Now, what about this one here? 55 people left the fruit market and asked if they bought apples, bananas, or clementines. Very exotic. So what do we have here? We have a bunch of... There we go. So what are the letters we're going to use here? A, B, and C. Was there anybody that didn't buy anything? 3 people bought nothing. So if 3 people bought nothing, that's indicative of a rectangle along the outside. Okay. So let's 3 bought none. There we go. Use x. We aren't told who bought all 3, so that means we're going to have to put x in here. Is that okay with you guys? Now, how many people bought apples and bananas? 15. So this should be 15 take away, because when you add them together, they have to add to 15. What about bananas and clementines? 17. So 17 take away x. And 16 bought apples and clementines. Yeah. Okay. Now, 34 bought bananas. So, sorry, 26 bought 29 bought apples. So it's going to be 29 I'm going to have to take away all of this, haven't I? So 29, actually, I'll do it down here. I'm going to have to do 29, take away what, guys? 15 minus x, yeah. Take away 16 minus x, yeah. Now, if we're doing this really technically, so you don't make a mistake, we'd write it like this. Another plus x. How many x's is there going to be there then? 3x, yeah? And then we get 3x minus 2. Oh, give me a sec. Minus minus makes a plus. Minus minus makes a plus. Oh, we're taking away the x at the end. My fault. We weren't meant to add that last one. We're meant to be taking away all the other numbers. So that's where I made the mistake. So that's a minus x. So how many people got x minus 2? Oh dear. I might class get x minus 2. Okay, yeah, grand. Good enough for me.
Minus 2 plus x.
Yeah. Same thing as x minus 2. So lads, just to make this abundantly clear, x minus 2 and minus 2 plus x are exactly the same thing. Okay? Doesn't matter what order you put them in. Now that that mystery has been solved, we're going to go on to the next one. How many people have had the bananas? Or did the bananas? How many? 30? 34, right. So what we're going to do now, guys, 34 take away, x take away, 15 minus x take away, what's it? Okay. This time, if I'm looking for a bit of speed here, here's what I do. 34 take away 15 take away 17 is 2. Minus x plus x cancels, plus another x. This one's simply 2 plus x or x plus 2. Everybody happy with that? Okay, x plus 2. Finally, this one here. How many people had the clementines in total? 27. So it's going to be 27, take away x, take away 16 minus x, take away 17 minus x. Once again, to do this really quickly, add the 16 and the 17 together, 33. 27 take away 33, minus 6. Minus x plus x cancels, plus another x, minus 6 plus, I prefer x minus 6. Everybody cool with that? How many people got the 3 sectors correct? Alright, good man. Now, guys, what we're going to do next is we are going to calculate the value of x. Oh, God help us. Alright, what does it all add up to? Has to all add up to 55. So this is not going to be fun. Now, you're best to write it out because writing it out gets you marks, okay? So x minus 2 plus 15 minus x plus 16 minus x. That's 4 of them, isn't it? Then it's x plus 2. 17 will take away x. X minus 6 plus the 3 equals, was it? 55. Now guys, I do a quick count. I'd be like, that's sector 1, that's one section. That's the second section. That's the third section. That's the fourth section. That's the fifth section. That's the sixth section. That's the seventh section. And that's the 8 sections. I did all 8 sections, so I'm quite happy. Now, what we're going to do next is I'm going to cancel any minus x's and plus x's. That's a plus x, that's a minus x. That's a plus x, that's a minus x. It's a plus x, that's a minus x. Leaves over 1 plus x. Minus 2 plus 15, 13. 13 plus 16, 29. 29 plus 17, 46. 46 plus 3, 49. And then x must be 6. Okay, that's all we're asked to do. Just calculate the x value and drive on. Okay, drive on. How many people got x equals 6?
Yeah, I got it.
Did I? Where did I leave out? Alright, let's try this again. Minus 2 plus 15 is 13. 13 plus 16, 29. 29 plus 17? This 2?
Yeah.
Ah, 51. Alright, let's try this one more time. Okay, I'm just going to cancel the 2's because they're annoying me. Okay, 15 plus 16, 31. 31 plus 17? 48. 48 minus 6? 42.
Plus 3 is 45.
Okay, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Great. So 45 plus x is 55. X equals 10. How many people got 10? Okay, guys. Shh. Okay, let's keep going, guys. Very easy to make a mistake when you have so many numbers stacked in a row. Okay, gents, let's look at this one. Do we have 11, did we?
Yeah.
And we also had 12? Okay. Shh. Lads, who wants me to do 11? Okay, good enough. Alright. Now, let's have a look at this, guys. You got your darts, chess, and snooker. DCS. Okay? So, you can be D, you can be C, and you can be S. Is there somebody that didn't play any of them? Lads, have you read the questions? Is there anybody that doesn't play any sports? Yeah, so we'll just go with the square on the outside, okay? So that's me sorted. Now, just drag this down for a minute until I can see everything. Okay, guys. Shh. Okay. X in the middle. 11 played darts and chess. So D, C, S. So darts and chess, what should that add up to? Darts and chess, lads? 11. So 11 minus X. 10 played darts and snooker?
10 minus X.
Darts and snooker, 10 minus X. Okay, snooker and chess?
13 minus X.
Okay, and we're done. So I've used 6 on the outside. Now what I have to do is 21 for darts, 22 for chess, and 27 for snooker. Okay, so here comes the awkward part again. So I get my 21 people for darts, and what do I need to do? Take away 11 minus X, take away 10 minus X, take away X. Okay, I should get 10 plus X. Anybody got X plus 10 or 10 plus X? For darts, darts only? Yeah, just darts only? Yeah, perfect. There should be, oh sorry, just X, because it's 21, take away 11, take away 10. So just X. Okay, next one. We'll do this one here. There is 22 of them. And what you have to do is you have to take away 11 minus X. You got to take away X. And then you got to take away 13 minus X. Now, 22 take away 11 is 11. 11 take away 13 is minus 2. And we get X minus 2 plus X. Or X minus 2. Fair enough. That will be the green region. Now we'll get onto the blue region. So, blue. There we go. Next one, guys. 10 minus X. Oh, wait. 27. Take away X. Take away 10 minus X. (13 minus X). Now, what do we get here, guys? Huh? 4 plus X. Good man. I'll write that as x plus 4, just like the x's in front usually. If they're positive, that is. Now, that's that part done. Happy days. First of all, we got to calculate the value of x, and after we calculate the value of x, what does it need me to do? Calculate the number of people that played only one of these games, or at least 2 of them. Okay, let's do this. What does everything have to add up to? 46 people in the club. So everything's got to add up to 46. So once again, you got to slowly go through this. So what we have is x plus 11 minus x, sector 2. Sector 3 is the other x. Sector 4 is 10 minus x. Sector 5 is the x minus 2. Sector 6 is the 13 minus x. Sector 7 is the x plus 4. And sector 8 is the 6. That's all 8 sectors. And it equals 46 people. Yeah? Okay. Let's hope I don't make a mistake again. Right. X minus x. X minus x. X minus x. I see one x left over, yeah? 11 plus 10, 21. 21 take 2, 19. 19 plus 13, 32. 32 plus 10, 42. X equals 4. How many people got x equals 4? Well done. Alright, gents. What we're going to do next is I'm going to come in here with a different coloured pen. Hopefully the purple pen. And I'm going to write some numbers in. 4. 7. 4. 6. 2. What's that going to be? 9. And this is going to be 8. Okay. Bit messy. So just going to rub out anything that can make this just a bit easier looking on the eye. Be awesome. Okay. What does it want from me now? Only one of the games. Okay, so what regions are only one? I would say... Huh? Yeah, 8 plus 4 plus 2. These are the regions where you only play one game. What's 8 plus 4 plus 2? Exactly. Okay, so it's this one, and this one. And there's 14 people that only play one game. Okay. What's the next one, guys? At least 2 games? I'd say that's your 6, your 7, and your 9, which adds up to 22, and the 4, which adds up to 26. Okay.